Hi, I'm Roger with All Wet Irrigation and Lighting. Today I'm going to give you some pointers on winterizing the sprinkler system. I was at a new house today, and I just wanted to show you. This hose faucet I just added today. I'm just about wrapping up the winterization, but it comes out of the house here, and it didn't have this hose faucet. It came up through the backflow, through the filter, and had a hose faucet here for my connection. Now the problem with that, see now I just opened it up and I have my air going through. Without this hose faucet here before the backflow, this backflow device, it prevents, when it's on, it prevents dirty water from getting back inside your house. So what that does, it also prevents air from going back in. So just to show you, I'm going to turn off my air now. So I'm wrapping it up with the hose and winterization. I'm going to take this off. Now I'm just going to show you what they had originally and why it would be a bad idea. So if you had this at your house, you might have to get a plumber and add something because this is easily mistaken. So when I have it hooked up at the second ball valve, or the second hose faucet, excuse me, I'm going to connect this. Now with the same last zone running, I'm going to turn the air on, open that up. Now, yes, my zone is being winterized back there, but what it's not doing is going backwards through this, and then all of this copper pipe, air had nowhere to go. So now, if I open this up, it's still opened, see? So it's opened up and I'm getting no air at all. So you can easily have all of this freeze in the wintertime if you have your hose faucet and your connection after your backflow. So always make sure that when you winterize a system, you're in front of the backflow and it goes through it. You always have arrows on it so you can kind of follow where the air will go. The air has to go somewhere and it goes out of the heads. It can never go backwards. So even with this, I'm going to show you one more thing. I installed a back drain inside the house, which it did not have. Because even with this hose faucet right here, the air can only go up through here out of the heads. It cannot go backwards into the house because it has nowhere to go. So I did install a back drain, is what it's called. Some houses don't have it. It depends on where the plumbing is. This plumbing, the turnoff is all the way in the front of the house, and I'm in the backyard, so there's a lot of pipe inside the house. So I'm going to show you what it looks like to back drain it. Okay, so now I'm inside the house, in the front of the house. This house in particular has two blowout connections. There's one in the front and one in the back. They're both winterized already. As you can see, they're both closed. And then it's all new, and these are my back drains. So now this one goes to the backyard, and as you can see, there's a lot of pipe going through. So I have the air on the correct side, and you can just go into a bucket and open that up. Let all the extra water come out of the house. As you can see, it's a lot. There's a lot of pipe exposed, and once you can start getting air going through, you know everything is safe.